how to register on Altcointrader and buy your first bit of crypto or transfer your money to Altcointrader. Okay, so this is their homepage. You will then click on register. You will put in a username, your email address, and a password, and confirm your password. And then you have to accept the terms and conditions and register. They will then send you an email to confirm your email. So you can go to login. Okay, here you will type in your email address or your username. Okay, so once you've logged in, this is what you see. Okay, so once you've registered, you have to do your KYC. Okay, to do your KYC, you'll just go to user menu and you will click on profile. Over there, you'll have the option to put in all your details and upload your KYC documents. Okay, once you have done that and they have approved your KYC, I would suggest to do your two-factor authentication for security. So it's also under profile. Under security, it will say, yeah, two-factor authentication, 2FA. So you'll download Google Authenticator on your phone, and they'll have a QR code here with a very large number. Take a photo of it and save it on a flash drive or print it and keep it in a very safe place. Because if you lose your phone, you lose your 2FA, the code, and then you've got to email them to take off the 2FA, and it's a whole procedure. So it's better just to take a photo of it so that if you do lose your phone or it gets stolen, you can then just download 2FA on the new phone and scan the QR code again from your piece of paper or from the file on a flash drive. Okay, so 2FA, it's an extra security. So when you log in, it will ask you for that little 6-digit code that keeps on changing. So nobody can just log in if they have your username and password. Okay, so once you've done that, then you want to deposit your first amount of money. So you'll go to deposit. You'll click on South African Rands. You can either do the bank deposits or an instant EFT or use your credit card. So most of us use bank deposits. Altcointrader uses the same banking account details for everybody. So you don't have like a special account just for you. All the money goes into one account. This reference number is specifically for you. You will use this when depositing money on their reference. If you don't put this reference number down, they're not going to know who to allocate the money to. And so then you will have to email them and prove that you paid the money into their account and your reference. So make sure you just put the reference number. You don't need to put your name or anything, just that number as their reference so that your money will show up in your Altcointrader. So once you've made the deposit, it depends on what bank you're with. If you do an immediate transfer, it can take up to like half an hour. It will show under here, ZAR, obviously minus a fee. So once you've deposited your ZAR, you can then buy your cryptocurrency, whichever cryptocurrency you want. It all depends. If you want to trade on Altcointrader, you can trade on Altcointrader. But if you want to move it to another exchange where you want to trade there because they've got different coins, I'll show you in another video how to move your money from Altcointrader to another platform. So if you have ZAR, you can buy with South African Rands, or if you have US dollars there, you can buy with USDT as well. So you'll then search for Bitcoin ZAR. You'll scroll down. Over here it says buy Bitcoin, and over here it says sell Bitcoin. Okay. Underneath that, you have your current sell offers. So these are the people that want to sell their Bitcoin to you at these prices. And then the current buy offers is for those who want to buy Bitcoin but aren't prepared to pay an extra 4,000 Rand for it. They want to pay less for it. So then they will put their order in here so that somebody can sell it to them. So if you're in a hurry to buy Bitcoin and you don't really mind the difference of the price, you can then just click on the price. It will automatically put the price in there. And then you can just say ZAR and you can move this cursor up to 100%, or depends on how much Bitcoin you want to buy. If you want to spend all your money or a little bit of it or whatever it may be. So you can then just put it on 100% and it will automatically work out how much Bitcoin you're going to buy. And you just say buy Bitcoin, confirm it, and voila, your Bitcoin will then show at the top here and you'll have no ZAR. If you want to buy any other coin, it's the same process. So let's go Sol. We want to buy some Sol. So you will then come down here and you want to pay 574 Rand, and you can then just click 100% and buy Sol and confirm it. The same thing, it will be at the top, Sol over there. it will show you there, and your ZAR will be finished. Okay, so every cryptocurrency is the same on how to buy it. And if you want to sell it, obviously, then you will just click on the price that somebody wants to buy it for instance, that one, and you can then click on 100% on all your coins, or 50% or 25% if you want to only sell a certain amount, and you can then say sell, sold, and you can then sell it. Yeah, I hope this video helps. The next video I'll do will be how to move your cryptocurrency from one exchange to the other.